Ki Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ka jingkuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Nabanta ka jingkuli ka jingseo ka baret but hila ban layu ban kuli da ka education loan. Hila ru ban chukola ho number khandai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani khandai pran riu laisan ar riwe khandai pra.
Hatu pikwa bagi janjong pikil kuit bah benar kam daka Oswell Soup hila banyo na barok kidukan.
Menteri Rangba Kejala Konrad Kongkol Sangma haka arphui terik julio arja apulai ula Bthah igi borsen sha jong distrik Bapher Kejala bagin pej perman bad bikin longgi bala Pynkhreh lupa lada yai beteng gejing jor uslap hagi tingisi bandang wan. Menteri Rangba ula penmi yang ini gejing Bthah haka jingalang shong bishar kam kabala long bad ki deputy commissioner Kejala lembagi he officer jong kitana Bapher haka bala kentu bagin chimkhia ye gejing punjular jong ulap ba bad ban pinstat ye gelak jingarap shagi bayi yang asam jong kiminsi bala khla no. Kitanat ki balai shimenta hari ni kejalang ki kentup bi katanat revenue, disaster management, but food and civil supply. Nalor ki deputy commissioner jong borok ki distrik Kejala.
As the monsoon has already approached and we are seeing heavy rainfalls and heavy winds in many parts of the state, we conducted a review meeting today along with all the concerned departments like revenue, disaster management, and food and service supplies, health, along with all the deputy commissioners of the different districts. This review has been done to look into all the damages and the loss of lives and the different challenges that the districts are facing and the public are facing at the ground level, and also to review the steps that have been taken by the district administration, and more importantly also to ensure that we make necessary arrangements and prepare for the coming days in which we expect that the rainfall could be more and heavier, and in such eventuality the district administration and the overall departments should be ready to ensure that all the necessary steps and all the relief is given to the people. So with that in mind, we have conducted and we have had a review meeting today, and it was a very positive meeting, and the necessary steps are being taken as we speak to ensure that administration and the officials and the departments are ready to ensure that all the support is given during different situations and heavy floods and heavy winds and cyclones that we may face in the coming days and coming weeks and months.